Hey there, lammies. Welcome to another Animal of the Day video. It's animal time. What is animal time? We're gonna party like it's animal time. Animals. Yesterday, we learned all about the hippopotamus. We learned that they have to spend the majority of their day in the water so they can stay safe. How do I word that? We learned that they have to spend a big majority of their day in the water because they lose water a lot faster than other animals. We also learned that they love to eat grass. And finally, we learned hippo mommies are great mommies to their babies. Baby hippos can swim practically as soon as they're born, within the first 5 minutes. And the mommy teaches the baby what it needs to do to survive and get its food and take care of itself. Hippos are just such great mommies. All right, are you guys ready for today's animal of the day? Ready? Today's animal of the day is the black spider monkey. The black spider monkey lives amidst the topmost branches of the Amazon rainforest. Using his long tail as a fifth limb, it is among the most acrobatic and flexible of all monkeys. All right, let's see what there is to learn about our friend, the black spider monkey. The black spider monkey is one of 4 species of spider monkey, all of which live in different areas of South America. Its varied diet consists almost entirely of exotic plants, birds, and insects found in the forest canopy. It prefers habitats where food is plentiful and cover is dense. All right, so let's start by talking about what the spider monkey eats and how he gets his food. So our friend spider monkey is an omnivore, meaning he likes to eat both plants and other animals and meat. When spider monkeys are eating, they actually will call out to the other spider monkeys to let them know kind of what's going on in the area. It sounds very similar to kind of like a horse, which I found really funny. Spider monkeys will eat mostly fruit and leaves, but sometimes they will also eat seeds, flower, buds, birds, eggs, and insects, and sometimes even spiders. Fruit is an essential source of water for the spider monkey. Let's talk about what spider monkeys are like in the wild. He has very long limbs that help him swing around and help him grab what he needs to grab. He can run on all 4s on the tops of branches, and he can also swing from one tree to another. He is able to walk upright on 2 legs whenever he does get on the ground, but they are very rarely found on the ground. Most of the time they are up in the trees of the rainforest. If there's a lot of food, there's a lot of spider monkeys, whereas if there's not a lot of food, there's way less amount of spider monkeys. So they like to be around their food. Spider monkeys will show who's in charge actually by grooming each other. So they will reach into the other spider monkey's fur and take out bugs and clean them off. And oddly enough, that's how you tell a more important spider monkey from a different one. So let's talk about spider monkey mommies and their babies. When a baby spider monkey is born, he will cling very tight to his mommy for the first 4 months of his life. Once he gets a little bit older, he will actually start riding on her back to get around, and he'll wrap his tail around hers for security. And even when he becomes too big to be carried, it's very rare that a young spider monkey will go very far away from his mommy. So mommy spider monkeys very much love their babies. And once a mommy spider monkey has her baby, that is all she really thinks about. She takes care of her baby. The baby stays very close to his mommy until he grows up. And because of that, actually, when mommy spider monkey is taking care of her baby spider monkey, she will not have any more babies until he has grown up and left. So let's learn some fun facts about our friend, the spider monkey. Spider monkeys have a much larger brain than many other species of monkey. Did you know there is a big similarity between bees and spider monkeys? Bees fly from flower to flower to flower to help pollinate them and make more flowers. Spider monkeys, in a weird way, do the same thing. So they'll start by drinking nectar from one flower, and then they'll move on to get more from another flower. This helps the flowers create seeds and therefore makes more flowers. How cool is that? Spider monkeys will actually break branches off of trees and drop them to scare intruders away when they don't want them around their space. Spider monkeys can be from about 15 inches to 20 inches long. Female spider monkeys can be about 16 to 22 inches, which is interesting. Usually in the animal kingdom, the male is a little bit bigger, but in the spider monkey community, the female is a little bit bigger. Spider monkeys are active during the day and they are very social animals. Spider monkeys are believed to live about 20 years in the wild. The oldest spider monkey at a zoo, however, lived to be 33 years old, so we're not exactly sure quite how long they can live. This is another animal that is unfortunately on our endangered animal lists. That is another reason we have to work so hard to be good and take care of our earth so all of our animals can thrive and live really long lives. Luckily for the spider monkey, there are plenty of people that work very, very hard to make sure that we can keep spider monkeys around. There are monkey refuges, there are places kind of like our own animal ark that take care of animals that can't live out in the wild anymore. How cool is that? Monkeys like us actually have hands that they use to grab things and fingers. And their feet are very similar to hands because they help them also grab onto branches. Their feet, however, the toes are a little bit longer, but they're very similar to fingers. All right, Lammies, I've had so much fun talking with you about animals that are very good mommies to their babies this week. Next week, it's Ocean Week, meaning we're gonna learn a ton about different ocean animals. I'm very excited. How about you guys? If you would like, you can share 3 things you learned about the spider monkey this week and maybe even a few things about your favorite animal from this week. I can't wait to hear it, guys. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.